Hi, welcome to something more. I'm Swanan and today I'm going to unbox the Apple iPhone 11. Let's start. So, I had ordered this last week on Amazon and it just got delivered. It is a 64 GB version and retailing for around 60,000 rupees. Let's open the packaging. Here is the main box. Here we can see the iPhone image on the front and on the back here we can see that it's a 64 GB variant. Now let's open the box. So here you can see that it is a black model. You can also find it in white, green, yellow and product red. Here we can find the iPhone 11 on the top. Let's keep it aside for now and check rest box contents. Here is basic how-to guide, a SIM ejector tool and well-known Apple stickers. Apart from it, they also provide normal earpods with lightning connector as there is no headphone jack, and normal USB to lightning power cable, and a normal 5-watt power brick, but it supports 18-watt fast charging and also wireless charging. Okay, let's keep all things aside and check the iPhone. Here we can see a 6.1-inch liquid retina HD display with True Tone. On the right side we can find the side button and a single physical SIM card slot, but it is a dual phone with the support of eSIM. On the bottom, there are dual stereo speakers and microphones, and a lightning connector for charging. On the left side, here are the volume rockers and famous ringer silent switch, and nothing on the top. On the back, we can find dual camera setup, in which both are 12 megapixel cameras. One is normal f1.8 aperture and second one is ultra wide with f2.4 aperture with a 120-degree field of view. We will check the samples later on. Now let's put it up. In the meantime, we can go over some of the specifications. So after setting it up, we can see a simple iOS 13 grid layout, but now it will be changed to widgets all over the places after iOS 14. As you can see, Apple provide a lot of pre-installed apps, but you can remove them if you want. Now let's compare some camera samples from iPhone 6s and iPhone 11. Some photos in natural lighting, some photos in artificial lighting, and some from the main camera, and a wide angle. And couple in the portrait mode. And let's see some video samples. So that's it guys, here is the iPhone 11. You can find the links to buy this in the description. If you like this video, please do like and share. See you in my next video.